Let me close out this section of the course reviewing the various ways to generate income from your social media websites with a review of the donation method. Probably the best example of an organization that relies on membership donations to earn income is National Public Radio, or your local public TV station. In this case, it's KQED, my San Francisco National Public Radio and TV station. They have a very nice donation drop-down menu here. Select donation and dollar level, 40, 75, 150, 10,000. Donate gifts as well. There are other ways to generate donation income. Here's another example of a website with a little box down here, Tip Leo. You roll over, choose your tip, and you can do 10-month recurring, $5 per month recurring, $2 per month, or one-time contribution. Research has shown that you can expect only between 2 and 4% at best of your community to make donations on a regular basis. For example, NPR, which does a pretty good job of promoting itself and has great content and loyal followers, only gets about 2 to 3% of their audience donating on a regular basis. But still, this is probably a good strategy in combination with some of the other income streams that I've covered here, such as subscriptions or advertising, or maybe giving away free content and charging for premium content. So as you would expect, there are quite a few plugins available to work with your WordPress site. Here's one called Donate Plus. This plugin will allow you to place the short code Donate Plus on a WordPress page and accept donations. All you do is you simply type this lettering in an article, and the form will include the option to be recognized on your website after the donation is received. This recognition can be placed on any WordPress page, so you can reward your members for donating. You can display your running donation total using this short code. The entire plugin is integrated with PayPal, so it will receive notification once a donation payment has been processed, and put the donor information on your website. That is, if they opt to be presented with that display. The donor can promote his name and website along with some comments on the recognition wall. This should hopefully encourage donors who like recognition to be more likely to contribute to your web page. As you would expect, Joomla has a collection of very inexpensive or free modules and add-ons to help you collect donations on your websites. Here is OS Donate, which is a PayPal donate button for Joomla 1.6 and 1.7. Donate Request is another non-commercial or free PayPal donation button. Here's another one just called Simple PayPal. Most of these Joomla extensions use PayPal as the payment system gateway. In other words, PayPal handles all of the credit card transactions and bank transfers. Here's one called PayPal Donation. Here's one simply called Donate. If we click on the link here, it'll take us to a single page with more descriptions of the features and capabilities of this plugin. This is an extension to Joomla and facilitates online one-time or recurring donations through Authorize.net, PayPal, or VeriSign. It sends a custom thank you email message to donors. You can receive instant email notification of a payment. No programming required. All customization, setup, and configuration can be done through the admin level control panel. Optional form fields including title, organization, and comments, and much, much more. So there you have a review of several sites that have been successful at collecting donations from their members, as well as some tools for easily setting up donation pages on your websites. That will then conclude this section of the course, reviewing 5 ways to make money with your social networking websites. In this section, you learned how to set up member subscriptions so you can charge for access to your site or to certain premium sections of your site. You learned how to work with ad aggregators such as Google AdSense to place ads on your sites. You were introduced to the tools that work with Moodle, Joomla, Ning, and WordPress to help you sell products, services, or information on your website. You were introduced to websites that sell premium content but give much of their content away for free. And finally, you learned about WordPress and Joomla extensions that make it easy to collect donations from your members. Move on now to the last section of the course wrap-up, for a few concluding words and some more information about your instructor.